oh, the forex market is dangerous, oh, the market is risky, it is too risky for me, I cannot go into the market. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what you need to do to minimize your risk in the forex market, because risk is one of the biggest deal makers and deal breakers when it comes to trading forex, because some markets are very volatile, because some markets are very volatile na zingine they don't have any movement, so you need to be risk adverse and understand how the market moves and minimize your risk in a way where you can give yourself a chance to survive in the market, because the longer you survive in the market, the better or the more money you're going to make in the long run. If you enter the market, get wiped if you enter the market, get wiped up if you enter the market and get wiped out the exact same day, bro, you're finished. But if you enter the market, stay in the market for a month, you'll understand how the market moves. You'll start to see the patterns. You'll start to see strategies working and everything going to plan. So this is exactly what you need to minimize your risk when it comes to trading the markets. First thing you need to have is a risk management strategy. Now, what is risk management? Risk management is making sure that you're winning more than you're losing. How do you do this? You risk a small percentage of your account to win a larger percentage of your account. You don't risk the whole account. Let me give you a short example. You can use a risk management of maybe 1:2 ratio, and if you are risking 1% of your account to win 2% of your account, which means if you win 2 trades, you just give yourself 4 more chances to trade the market. That easy. So you can see risk management strategy. You need to have a trading ratio that you're using. Risk 1% of your account to win 2% of your account. Don't risk 100% of your account to win 5% of your account. That is stupid risk management. You need to go into the market where you have leverage, where you can actually make good money. Don't just want to see a good score on your history, but you're not actually making money. You won 20 trades, but you are not making money because the setup, how you set up your things, is not working that well. Now, if you've watched until this point of the video, I know like this type of content, you can always join the free Telegram channel that I just created. In there, I give giveaways, I give signals, and sometimes I also give education just for the people in the Telegram channel. Click that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Click subscribe, because I've noticed that majority of the people watching this channel have not subscribed. So make sure you click the subscribe button and let's go. Now, for you to win in the market long term, you need to have a strategy, and not just a strategy. You need to have a good trading strategy. Now, what is a good trading strategy? A good trading strategy is a strategy that makes you money consistently, doesn't lose you any money, that doesn't risk you to a point where you cannot recover, doesn't essentially blow your account. You want a strategy that can actually flip accounts, not a strategy that blows accounts. Okay, so So a good strategy is a strategy that flips your account multiple times. And a bad strategy is a strategy that blows your account. So you don't want a strategy that blows your account. You want a strategy that flips your account. So to develop a strategy, first you need to have a first step where you test your strategies. You can test them using demo account, then test them in the market a little bit. Give it some time to work out. Then if you are journaling every day, as we said, you'll start to see patterns. Test your strategies. Test as many strategies as possible until you find one strategy that works for you. If you find a strategy that flips your account, bro, just stick to the strategy. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. And most people, they want to create their own new strategies. There's no new strategy. Just go find a strategy that already exists. Try to use it, make it yours, and trade in the market, and you'll see the profits start rolling in slowly. Now, if you have a good strategy and you have a good risk management plan, that is not enough. You need a third element. Iko ngapi?
6 minutes 41.
You need a third element, and this third element is literally maybe the most important, which is something to do with you yourself as a trader. All the two are addressing things, but things that are outside of you. But now this one is with you. Now this is the mindset. You need to have a good mindset, clear mindset, because your mindset is what will enable you to have discipline, to trade the market. It will enable you to be self-confident and believing in yourself. When you're placing your trades, you're making confident entries. You're not panic trading. You are not greedy in the market. You know how the market moves. Everything becomes seamless to you because you have the right mindset in place. Now, what can you do to get a good mindset? First thing is to protect your mindset. You need to use something like a risk-based strategy. Not a risk-based strategy, I mean a rules-based strategy. A rules-based strategy is where you have rules 1, 2, 3. And those are the rules that govern how you trade. So when you enter all-in trade, you make sure you analyze the market, rule number 1. Then number 2, you implement your strategy to see where you should place your trade. Then number 3, you place your trades with the stop losses and everything. Then number 4 is you cash out the profits. If you don't have the right mindset, you could be making profit, but you end up not cashing out because you think it's going to grow big and you get greedy. But then again, sometimes you could have fear. Instead of entering the market, you be fearful. Then within some time, you see the market, boom, going to where you wanted. You could have made more money, but your mindset was not right, so you didn't enter that trade. You can create a trading account with Olium Trade using the link in the description. You can be confident depositing your money on Olium Trade because you know they have very fast withdrawals. I'll leave the link in the description, and also I'll leave you a code. If you use the code PRO100 on your first deposit, you'll get 100% deposit bonus. Just like that. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.